What's up guys, it's Ali your TechVisionHD, and today I am reviewing the MM711 by Cooler Master. As lightweight mice are the new norm, and there are so many mice on the market right now, this mouse will definitely be a run for your money at just $50. I'm gonna split this video into and you can skip to any of those parts anytime you want. So let's get straight into the review. The unboxing experience of the mouse is less than stellar. When the box is opened, you get the mouse and some extra feet. The mouse itself though does make up for this. The MM711 comes with on-mount switches rated at 20 million clicks, and it also comes with a fixed ultra-weave cable that is color coordinated with whichever mouse color you get. The sensor itself is a Pixar 3389 sensor seen on most mice around this price point. The polling rate is 1000 Hz with a 4 millisecond response time and a 2mm liftoff distance. The RGB on the mouse is very clean and has two zones, the scroll wheel and the logo. The software that comes with it is very easy to use as well. It helps you adjust the buttons, lighting, and performance. It also helps you create macros and profiles as well. The overall shape of the mouse is more suited for claw and fingertip grippers rather than palm grippers. Only smaller hands can palm grip it due to the smaller form factor. The back of the mouse is tall with a slope to the front, and it is made of ABS plastic. For the mouse to be 60 grams, they created a hexagon pattern on the body which complements their own logo. In my opinion, it looks and feels very nice, though some people do complain about the size of the holes and how they aren't as low profile as other mice. It is also dust and water resistant, something you might not know at first glance. The build quality for the mouse is pretty decent, though it has some room for improvement. The side button can be activated by pressing in on the side of the mouse with lots of pressure. Another downside to the mouse is the pulse travel on the mouse 1 and 2 buttons. Though this is easy to fix and I will be making a video on how to fix it soon. These flaws aren't too noticeable in game though, and I don't feel they are deal breakers at all. The low friction mouse feet are 100% made of PTFE, so they provide a super smooth glide, though it may take some time for them to break in. I've been using my MM711 for a couple months now, and before that I used the G502. When I got the mouse, it took me about 2 days to get used to, and my aim drastically improved. You don't really feel the benefits of a mouse like this, or any lightweight mouse, until you go back for a day. When I tried using my G502, it felt a lot heavier and I played a lot worse. So without further ado, here are some gameplay highlights of me using this mouse.